taking a look at my armrest schematic. I have a finished width of 3 inches. My rough cut dimensions indicate that I can bring this down to my 3-inch finished width at this stage. And on my 2 boards, I have 1 milled edge from the lumberyard and 1 rough edge. So I will begin by cleaning up that milled edge on the joiner. My table saw can then be set to 1/16 over 3 inches, and I can cut both of those pieces. Each of these pieces then have 1 good, clean, jointed edge and 1 mill-marked edge from the table saw. I want to clean up the mill-marked edge on the joiner. And when finished, I have 2 work pieces measuring my finished width of 3 inches by my oversized length of 20 1/4 inches by about 1 inch thick.